Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Calendly. To use the Calendly, you have to go to its website. So for that reason, open any browser of your choice. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Once you get to the browser, there you have to search for Calendly. Then from the search, you will get different results. From all of these, you have to go with this first one and it will take you to the website of Calendly. This is the first interface that you will see. Now you have to simply sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. It's up to you. You can go with any option. And after that, it will ask you why do you plan to use the Calendly. You can answer it. And then it will ask you that what is your role. So choose it as per your preferences. Then it will ask you to three more questions like set up the calendar that will be used. So you can use any one of these. I'm using the Google Calendar. Now what you have to do is you have to simply integrate it with your Google Calendar. If you have selected the other option, then you have to go with that. It will just take a while and after that you will get integrated with your calendar. Here I have used the Google one. So after that you have to choose when are you available, like your working hours. Usually it gives weekdays 9 to 5. If it suits you, then keep it, otherwise you can change it. And then you have to choose which platform would you like to use for the meetings. You can select any one of these. Then you will see this interface. Now what you have to do is you have to create a meeting schedule. You can click onto this option and then you will get the option for one-to-one, for group people, for round robin where multiple people can be host. So you can choose any one of these, or you can also click on this option. You will get the same options. So it's up to you whatever option you would like to go with. Once you have selected any one of these options, now you have to set few options through which you will be able to have the meeting. So first you can name it anything whatever you like. If it's interview, you can add it interview. Then you can label it any color of your choice. Then you can choose the duration. You can also customize it as per your preferences. Then you can choose the location if you would like to, if it is not remote. Otherwise you can choose these platforms whatever you would like to use it. And then you have to select your availability, like your working hours. We have set it earlier, but if you want to change it you can also do it. And in the host you can select yourself. If you have the other team members, you can add their email address and they will also be added. And once you're done, click on create, and after that event will be created. Later on you can share the link to other people to add them. So this is how the event will appear on the screen. Now you can share it with any other person, and after that they will be able to join it. Also you can just simply give them the days on which they can select to have the meeting with you. Otherwise you can just simply send it and they will select it. So here I am adding different options for availability so the other person can select from there and continue. You can actually choose it as per your choices based on your availability and your time. Then you can just simply copy the link and share it to the other person, and the other person will be able to join. So that's how you can use Calendly. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.